I need level 1 to unlock that. Okay. I don't know what level 1
Off on
I need.
another adventure, are we?
Yes. Side quests are now available. Accept. Okay. Quests. So see Miss Weasley after class. Oh, crossed wands, brown one. Yeah, I'll do the professor one first. I meant to go to the map. And it's just downstairs, so might as well just run. Alright, that's this, it just takes me down the stairs. Yeah. It's a weird looking statue. Oh, yeah, we've been here before.
Oh.
Pardon me, didn't see you there. Why is it sending me through the grass? What is that? Oh, the trimming the hedges. Why is... Let me in the room. Ooh.
What about the room, Professor?
I was thinking the same thing, Deke. Perhaps you could help.
Oh, excuse, Deke.
Ah, there you are. I trust your first classes went well?
They did, Professor.
I heard as much from Professors Hecat and Ronan. Seems Professor Fig taught you quite a bit during your brief detour near... what was it you said? Some ruins? I'd wager there's a good deal more to your travels here than what you've told me. Isn't there?
Have you and Professor Fig not discussed my training?
He continues to be reticent about the details, mentioning only a few spells. Revelio, was it? And Lumos?
That's correct, Professor.
I see. Like trying to get a sonnet from a streeler. Regardless, you must continue to build upon what you've learned. In that regard, I've asked your professors to help hasten your progress with some extra assignments.
Professor Ronan did mention something about that.
In fact, Professor Ronan will meet you outside momentarily to assign your first one. Now, regarding the trip to Hogsmeade I mentioned earlier, we've arranged to replace the supplies lost on your way here, including seeds, potion recipes, and spellcrafts.
Thank you, Professor.
And Mr. Ollivander will connect you with the perfect wand. You've managed your classes well with a borrowed wand, but you'll find the magic you cast with your own wand to be far superior.
Can you tell me more about the potions shop, Professor?
J. Pippin's Potions stocks a wide array of potions ingredients, although they rarely sell recipes. Professor Sharp asked that they have a couple of particular recipes on hand for you.
I've never heard of a spellcraft before, Professor. What is it?
A spellcraft is a recipe of sorts used when conjuring objects. I shall explain more about them when you begin working with transfiguration magic.
There's an Ollivander's in Hogsmeade.
There is. Most people are familiar with the shop in Diagon Alley. We're fortunate to have someone like him nearby. Mr. Ollivander is a genuine craftsman and highly skilled wand maker. I would trust no one else to pair me with a wand.
I'm eager to get to Hogsmeade.
Very well. I'd like you to make your first visit to the village with a classmate. Help you get your bearings. Perhaps Sebastian Sallow or Natsai Onai. I've noticed you spending time with them.
The Slytherin or Gryffindor? Let me hang out with the Gryffindor.
I'd like to go with Natty.
Excellent choice. Miss Onai is one of our most talented students. And she knows the area. She'll keep you well clear of any of Victor Rookwood's undesirables en route.
Rookwood?
A rather unsavory local. Best to avoid him and his associates, including his right hand of sorts, Theophilus Harlow, if you can. Once you've finished Professor Ronan's assignment, your friend will meet you at the castle doors. No time to waste. The sooner you complete your work, the sooner you can enjoy a butterbeer at the Three Broomsticks.
There we go. So, before I move on from here, dogs are kind of begging for a bathroom break, so I'm going to pause for a minute, and then I will be back. Well, that was fun. Neighbors have to let their dogs out right when I let my dogs out. Anyways, okay. Speak to Professor Ronan. Okay.
Ah, there you are.
You have a new spell to teach me, Professor.
Indeed I do, and an exceedingly useful one at that. The mending charm, Reparo. Fixes things right up, makes a broken object good as new in the blink of an eye.
It seems as if that might come in handy.
More frequently than one would imagine. As Professor Weasley mentioned, I am not the only one who will be teaching you spells outside of class in an effort to catch you up with your peers. A number of your professors have agreed to do so as well, but first, each shall ask that you complete a few preliminary tasks to hone your magic. I have arranged some for today. See them through and then report back to me. We will have you casting Reparo in no time.
Why must I first complete tasks to learn Reparo?
No lesson or lecture can compare to first-hand experience, and these tasks should provide you with just that. Such experience is invaluable when mastering any new bit of magic.
I'll start on the task right away, Professor.
Okay. So collect the flying page near the broken statue and collect... Yeah, okay.
This is the right area. I wonder where the flying page is.
I had just seen it. Where'd it go? There it is. How do I collect? Well, it didn't like that. So go behind me and should appear over here.
Accio! Got it.
Yeah. So it is Accio.
A flying page must be around here somewhere.
Might some kind soul help me?
Sure.
Are you all right?
Don't you know who I am? Zenobia Noak, the girl whom everyone at school hates for no reason.
Well, that's not cool.
Everyone hates you. Why?
Because Hogwarts is full of bullies and spoilsports. Leander Pruitt's one of the worst, that no-talent moon mind. I wanted to make some new friends, and so I brought my collection down to the common room. My gobstone collection, that is. I was hoping someone would want to play. Are you familiar with gobstones? Little balls, like marbles. Grand game. And if you lose, they spray you with a foul-smelling liquid.
Gobstones? Sounds like a fun challenge.
That's what I tried to tell everyone. People can be so cruel. Just because they're sprayed all over with smelly gobstone spit, it's their own fault for losing. Imelda is one of the worst losers. Everett and Astoria are terrible as well. And now those poor losers have taken my gobstones and hidden them in very high places all over the school.
Rather an overreaction on their part.
I'll say. Anyway, I can't work out how to get them back on my own. I don't think I know the necessary spells yet. I need someone, perhaps a selfless and talented fifth year to help me.
Do you have any suggestions on how to get your gobstones down from their hiding spots?
If I knew that, I'd get them myself. Whoever hid my gobstones that high got up there somehow.
Haven't you any friends at school?
Not really. Natty said hello once, but not a word since.
I'll see what I can do.
I'd appreciate the help. If you do find all of my gobstones, do come and see me again. I'll be back to playing Snake Pit and Jackstone by myself in no time.
Oh, I don't want to do that yet. I still have to collect this page.
Don't get too cookies.
Makes it easier if I don't try to force aim. What's this? Whoa! That run's kind of funny. Yeah, chest thing. Okay, high places. I probably need a broom or something. Wait, what? Oh, I untracked the quest. Did I not unlock it? Which one's probably the closest one? Looks like running would probably be the fastest.
Revelio.
So there's a lock on that door. That's that travel place. So yeah, just a lot of running around right now.
Revelio.
Haunted toilet. Ah, Peeves pranking spot.
Oh, not again!
Here I've come from the toilet bowl where she said I could swim, did you praxia mole? As long as 'twere only one time per week, I can plunge the boy's lavatory, not for the meek.
These peeves will make me late.
He tried to stop me, did rancorous carp, sought to trap me, confine me inside of a jar. But he failed, as did his containment charms, so I took my revenge to wreak havoc and harm. It was granted my privileges be handsome indeed, or I'd fire up the cannon, and so she agreed. To draw up a contract with her, not with him, that if I behaved, I'd have one weekly swim! Whee!
I'll get you for this.
Whoa.
Look at your hair. Whatever it is, they'll all want to know your secrets.
But it just looks funny.
Revelio.
Sounds like a party over here. Still chasing her. Huh.
Oh, you are too kind. We thank you. hold your applause.
It's kind of a fun song. Does it just always go?
Have our gratitude. It has been our pleasure.
Revelio.
Yeah, must be something I'm coming back to. What is that? Nope.
Levioso.
Nope.
Revelio.
Home to the Black Dragon. And then look at that view. Hey, there's the Quidditch arena.
Glad you could make it. Lucan's just over there.
I've always said that travel broadens the mind.
Can I help you?
Sebastian told me to see you about a club.
If Sebastian vouches for you, that's all I need to know. I coordinate duels for crossed wands. A dueling club of sorts. It's invitation only, so you must have really impressed Sebastian.
I'm flattered to hear that. Sebastian's not a bad duelist either.
Imagine it's quite something to see the two of you duel.
How does cross wands work exactly?
You show up, I match you with other duelists, and whoever is still standing in the end wins. It's our way of determining the school's greatest duelist once and for all. And to liven things up, the winner is awarded a prize. Interested?
Of course. Dueling's an entertaining pastime.
Dueling
I
and
agree. Besides,
a free prize?
in cross
Yes.
ones, you can duel with a partner if you like. Your first time I'll pair you with Sebastian. Next time, you'll need to bring a partner along, or duel alone. So, care to step into the ring?
Yeah, sure.
Get me in the ring.
Spectacular! Let the fireworks begin!
We'll make you regret signing up.
Okay.
Confringo! Levioso, is that all you've got? Protego! Stupid!
Don't throw away now.
Protego! Stupefy! Stupefy! Levioso! Come on!
Ah. Well, that was close.
Perhaps one day I'll sign up for a round.
Nice work. Sebastian wasn't wrong about you. There's strong competition ahead, but keep this up and you could be the next school champion.
Brilliant. Count me in.
I shall. Now, it takes time to organise these duels, but check with me later. I may have something lined up for you. Again, congratulations on your first Crossed Wands victory. Well fought. Hope to see you back here again.
Revelio.
Anyway, let's get on to another quest out here. Quests. That's not the one I want. Wait, what? Must not have unlocked it yet. So it has to be green for me to have unlocked it. Okay. That's what I wanted. The travel button. So far, it's a pretty fun game. Wait, what? Oh, do I need to stand here or something? I'm a little confused how the flu system works.
I'd better
Okay.
keep an eye on
You
high
just have to be
places
standing
around the
next to
school
it.
for Zenobia's gobstones.
I trust the preliminary task.
I completed the assignments, Professor.
Marvelous. You clearly know your way around basic charms. Let us give the old mending charm a try then, shall we? Remember to be deliberate in your enunciation and movements. I want to see some vigor. Now, wand at the ready.
Yes, sir.
Remember, your wand is a conduit
Circle
of your
with different
magic.
buttons this time.
That's it. Very good. If you would like to practice mending something, have a go with that broken statue in the alcove by the water. It allegedly symbolized heartbreak. Perhaps a jilted lover thought it too accurate and lashed out.
Repairing.
Nicely done. Works like a charm, doesn't it?
I'd better keep an eye on high places around the school for Zenobia's gobstones.
Revelio.
Okay. Those are completed. said I finished one of 2 of the beginning quests, but apparently I just need to go to Hogsmeade.
Revelio.
Broomsticks are going out of style, I think. So many other ways to travel now.
I suspect most Slytherins would prefer not to be in a dungeon.
Hello, looking for me?
Natty, I hope I haven't kept you waiting long.
Not at all. Professor Weasley tells me that you need to go to Hogsmeade. You must be eager to have your own things again. And to see the village.
I've been looking forward to it.
Good. Shall we set off? I intend to give you a first-rate Hogsmeade experience.